What's up, guys? Ron here. We're in Napanee, Indiana for a KOI dirt drag event. Got Merica back there warming up. Beverly will be driving tonight. So we're just here to get a little more excited what's going on. Get ready to make some test passes. So as you saw there, pretty good pass. She seems to be acting happy. We'll see what Bevy's thoughts are. What's your thoughts, Bevy?
No, I felt like it went, I guess.
Yeah.
Felt like it normally does.
Yeah.
It went.
Room for improvement? She good.
There's always room for improvement. We need to put fuel in it, so she cleans up. But it goes.
All right.
Merica-Tv on YouTube. Check them out. Burnout contest, all kinds of stuff. On the Cletus and cars and Indy. Tony, what next?
As you can see, it's now nighttime. We just made our first pass in Merica for the actual competition of the mod class. Did pretty good, a lot of spinning. I just reworked the entire track. So they're running the mod class in between some of the ATV stuff. But she hooked up pretty good. We're gonna turn on the progressive kit of nitrous, that way we should get a little extra oomph. Cause that was just with one kit on it. So now we'll get to see what she does. Alright guys, so we just got back to the shop with Merica. We did get it eliminated. Each pass that we made tonight, it got slower and slower. So we have some investigating to do, see what's going on, but we'll get it figured out and be back. So stay tuned for the next time.